So guys, today is
Then
April
28th
22.
Street, then turn right onto 8th Street. Turn right onto 8th Street.
So guys, today is April 22. Today is my surgery in the Astor Alcosais, Alnada. So hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari, pero ngayon papunta ako ngayon kay Lapan Rogelio. And siya magiging parang kasama ko. And good luck sa akin. Sana tamang ugat lang. Ay, nako. Let's go.
Okay na, mapabait naman. Yung mga nurse lang, may mga kupal na nurse na.
100 meters, turn left.
Masakit. Kapara ka.
A few moments later.
So guys, 1:11 PM. Yung boses ko iba pa. Aswero pa rin ako. Andito na ako sa sarili kong room. Yan. Ibinalik na rin ng security yung mga gamit ko, like wallet, cellphone. Grabe, first time ko maranasan yung yung hihila kong bell na to. So pupunta ka sa elevator, nakikita ka ng mga tao, parang mga sa pelikula lang eh. Kahit yan. Ang highlights niya, na-surgeryan na pala ako, hindi ko pa alam eh. Huli kong natatandaan, hinihila ako sa may kwarto na puro ilaw eh. Yung pang pelikula talaga na sa surgeryan ka. Yung parang satellite. Dalawang nakatutok sa'yo na surgery na Pag-gising ko sa ibang kwarto na ako eh. Iba pa to. Pag-gising ko, dilipat naman ako dito. Yan. Sama ko si paring Rogelio. Professional to kasama ko ah. Alam mo yung galawan ah.
Experienceado, pwede kang...
Ay puta, nagaganyan pala yan.
Oo, gusto mo iangat ko yan. Hindi ka napatayo, pre.
Oo, yun nga pre.
Relax ka.
Ay na, parang may sumasabuno sa bulbul ko ah. Kaya pakipasok mo nga to. Ito yung pinakapangit na breakfast in bed. Nasa hospital yung breakfast in bed bro. Problemin.
Okay pa?
Okay, sige pa. Hindi pa. Shit.
Gusto mo iangat ka to.
Nakaangat pre oh.
Angat yung pre.
Hindi natin sa nito pre sa bahay. Tapos pwede kang buhatin pre. Ay po, taragis. Bisado mo pre ah.
Nakikita mo naman yung pre. The remote yan pre.
Shit. Mamahalin tong higaan na to ah. Ito yung malupit na breakfast in bed.
Ilang breakfast in bed.
Sabi ko, yung parang malakas na yung galabog sa malakas na yung galabog sa may pinto na malaki. Sabi ko, putangin na parang ito na yung sa pelikula. Yung sabi, tabi. Parang pag gano'n na pre.
Pang ano na yun, din yung sa ER, yung mga nagra-rush na gano'n.
Tapos putangin na pagpasok nga nakita ko na, putangin na parang satellite sa taas, dalawa.
Hindi ko pa narinig ngayon pagka yung may ano sila.
Dinner in bed na. Panalo ka talaga. Pre! Panalo ka talaga, pre, ah. Di mo alam kung nasuspend ka ba or what, eh. Ito kaya, pagkain walang lasa, eh. Yung matabang yung pagkain. Ngayon, order ka ng ganito. First time to, remembrance nga daw. Para masarap mag 3 days, 2 nights dito, ah. Outing. Staycation muna kaya ako dito ng mga 3 days and 2 nights, pre. Sarap ng higaan dito, pre, ah. May TV, maganda yung AC, maluwag yung kwarto. Ayun, oh. Ang sarap ng higaan nila, na-adjust mo pa, pre, gamit to, pre, oh. Tinuruan lang ako ni paring Rogelio kung paano gagawin. Yung mga, pag gusto kong umangat ng konti, gaganitin mo lang yan. Pag nasusuro ka pa naman, eh, oh. Ayun, oh. Pag gusto mong umiga, ganitin mo. Tama? Aray ka. Or 37 p.m. April 22, 2026. Sakit nito, ah.
Excise tax lang sa diesel ang gustong ipatanggal ni Senator Lina Chalian dahil nagmamahal ang pagkain at ibang bilihin kung mahal ang gastos.
Drogi pa ako sa mga gamot na binigay sa akin. Dextrose pa ako.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.